So today I'm going to be doing an adaptation of the very popular Four Lakes Loop hike in Rocky Mountain National Park. This hike is 6.5 miles long and we're going to be visiting 5 lakes including Nymph, Dream, Emerald, Haiyaha, and Mills Lake. We're going to be starting at the Bear Lake Trailhead and we're going to be wrapping things up at the Glacier Gorge Trailhead where we're going to take the shuttle back up to Bear Lake.
Good morning. We're back at the Bear Lake Trailhead in Rocky Mountain National Park. Sun's just starting to come up. Starting here at Bear Lake. And up the Nymph, Dream, Emerald, Haiyaha, and then off to Mills. And so just after you go left at Bear Lake, you're past this sign for Emerald Lake. There's gonna be another junction. You're gonna take a right up towards the lakes. This is my 4th day here, 3rd day hiking. Starting to wear myself down a little bit, not getting enough sleep in that tent. Tomorrow we're gonna be climbing up to the boulder field to do Long's Peak. So I'm not gonna overdo it today. I'm gonna kind of take it easy. These are starting to open up towards Glacier Gorge and Long's Peak. Towards Emerald. All right, starting to climb up towards Emerald. So there's really no way around sharing this trail with lots of people. You're gonna see a lot of people around Nymph, Dream, and Emerald. And once you pass those lakes and start heading towards Lake Haiyaha, I can never say that name, I don't know how to pronounce it. You'll start seeing the crowds kind of dispersing. And then furthermore, they'll start to disappear as you get towards Mills Lake. But it really doesn't subtract from the trail. The trail is beautiful, totally worth it even with the people you're gonna share it with. Coming back up on Dream Lake. Okay, so back at Dream Lake, if you catch it on a good day, you'll actually see moose. There's a trail right there where a moose has been walking through the lake. No moose today, lots of people and chipmunks. Okay, so back at the junction of Dream Lake, Emerald Lake. Now I'm headed this way to Lake Haiyaha. How do you say that? I don't know.
Yeah, good question.
Okay, so pretty steady wooded climb out of Dream Lake. There you go. Alright, so we're kind of making the bend around towards the Lockvale, Glacier Gorge area. Views are starting to open up. It's hard to be away from home for so long, but my girls start school next week, so they didn't want to be gone the entire last week of summer. So I'm soaking all this up before the kids finally go back to school. Yeah, 5-month-long summer is coming to an end, and it's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm heading back down to the junction of the Lake Haiyaha trail, meeting up with the Nymph Lake trail. Okay, so it's been a lot of downhill, just on a real nice rock path, a lot of switchbacks, but it's leveling out now. It's a little bit like Yosemite right here. I have not seen a single person on this stretch between Lake Haiyaha and Nymph Lake. So here we go. That's some weather coming in. I get caught in the rain, I need to get back anyway. So I'm gonna cut this kind of short, start heading back. So it's just after 10 o'clock. I got about 2.5 miles, I believe, to get back down to Glacier Gorge, catch the shuttle, get back to Bear Lake Trailhead, and drive back to my campsite. I have to be back there by noon. So I'm gonna be pushing it.
So the traditional end of the Four Lakes Loop hike would typically take you down the Glacier Gorge Trail, but today I'm short on time, so I'm going to opt for the Firefighter Trail. It's an unmarked trail, cuts down on the time and the distance by about a mile.
So I'm taking the shortcut. There's a Firefighter Trail, trucking down back to Glacier Gorge Trailhead, trying to make some time. So I was a little nervous taking the Firefighter Trail because evidently I was following some locals and they were booking it. I couldn't keep up, but I hear that they all go back to the Glacier Gorge Trailhead area, so I'm now joining back with the main trail. Only took me 30 minutes. I'm already almost back to the trailhead. That was pretty sweet. But yeah, Firefighter Trail, it's unmarked. Good shortcut. All right, I'm gonna try to catch a shuttle. They didn't stop for me. All right, catch the next shuttle to Bear Lake Trailhead. Made it back. Made good time too. Proud of myself for being a fat guy getting down so quick. So, all the lakes we saw started at Bear Lake, Nymph Lake, Dream Lake, Emerald Lake, some other lake, Mills Lake. Awesome day hike. Now I gotta get back to camp, check out of my campsite just so I can pack up and move one campsite over. A little booked up this time of year, so that's what I had to do. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, click that like and subscribe button. All right, I'll see ya. Oh yeah.